this look is gonna blow you away. It's the most popular video. I did it 10 years ago. It had 500,000 views. Hundreds of thousands of photographers use this look to blow up their social media. Let me show you how it works. It's really cool. It's called the Urban Desaturated look. So it doesn't work on every photo, but it works especially on photos taken at the blue hour or during the day that have a lot of light, or end of afternoon, like this photo, for example. Check this out. So what you do is you download the preset. So the link is under the video. You put in your email. As soon as you put in your email, I'm going to send you an email where you can download the preset. But I'm also going to try to sell you a course. Now, because you see the video on sending a course does not mean you're not getting the preset. The moment you put in your email, if it's a valid email, you will get it. But it only works if you have a Lightroom subscription and if you like Cityscape. Do not try to download it if that's not you. Okay, first I'm going to show you how I build this preset, and you'll see it's a lot of work. At first, I start like most of my retouching with opening shadow, bring down the highlights. And just to tell you a story, this look is so powerful. I showed it to a lady named Frances Schwab. You can see there's an interview of her on my YouTube channel. She applied that preset to some of her photos of Philadelphia, and she contacted one of the biggest publishers on the planet, and she's in talks to make a book. It would have not happened if she didn't have this preset. This is how powerful this is. So don't underestimate this video. This video, the next 5 minutes might change your life. So then I'm going to crush my black and do my white, which is my basic retouching. Now the preset also include automatically erasing all the dust. So I'm going to do that too. Okay, the dust. Okay, and then you take a very average, I think I went to daylight on the white balance, actually a little warmer, a little warmer white balance, okay? But then what you do is you add a bit of clarity on this one, and here's a magic trick. You go to saturation and you make all the warm colors a lot more saturated and all the other ones less saturated. That way you get a very, very strong photo. Sometimes what I do, I mean, there's 10 different presets, they're all different, but that's a little bit how they are built. And you get this sort of like really cool look that is very popular. This one, I'm gonna make it straight. So you can see you can do it by hand. And there's some other tricks because like I use brushes but that's the basic idea of how the preset is built. The full preset has a lot more options. So let me show you. That's how I would build this. And then you go here. Look, one click. Look at that. I love the look on this one. And then you make it straight with auto, and boom. Look at this one. This is amazing. By the way, the reason I'm giving this to you for free is because I have a coaching program. And check this out. So look 1, look 2, look 3, look 4, look 5, look 6. Ooh, look 6. And it will automatically erase. So I was saying, the reason I'm giving it to you is that if you love cityscapes and if you want like Clifton Haley, he was making $200 a month selling his work on Etsy. After my coaching program, $6,000 a month. Sherry King, 12 magazine covers. JT, 38 international awards. Tim Shield, millions of dollars in photography products. It will change your life. Only if you like landscape and cityscape, you can book a call with me and my team. I want to see what you think is your 4 best photo you ever took in your life. But you can always make some adjustments. You can always go in here and, change a bit the white balance and, you can make it straight. But this works really good, especially on cityscapes. So look at this one. This one is kind of crazy. Look 1. So you just go through the looks. And like, if you think you have a potential like this one, I'm like, I think I'm going to go look 1, but it's way too strong. So you can take a look, but then you can always like increase the blacks, increase the whites and make it straight. And I love how you have this sort of, Alan Palender was a famous Instagrammer. He made millions of followers using this technique. So look at this one. You just go through like look 1, look 2, no, look 3. Ooh, I like look 3, but it's a bit too blue. That's fine. Just apply look 3, and then you can go in there and just make it a bit less blue. Something like that, maybe a bit more magenta and a bit brighter, But now you've got over 40 settings in one click. Okay, let's do this one. So look 1, look 2, look 3, look 4. Oh, I like look 4. It's sort of so natural. I mean, the sky is a little crazy, but why not? Let's make it a bit more blue. Look at that, just one click. Look at this one. Oh, now let's do this one, which is look one. Look at that, one click. Look one. And it erases all the dust automatically now, which is insane. Make it brighter. It's got like a Blade Runner look to it. You are going to love this one. Just make sure you put in your email. Make sure it's a valid email because you won't get the preset. But do not do it if you're not into Cityscape or landscape and if you don't have a Lightroom subscription. It will not work because it uses a lot of local adjustments. This is my gift to you. I hope one day you come to my coaching program and become an award-winning photographer. The link is under the video. For now, it's a gift to you to give you value. I'll see you in the next video.